Welcome back to another episode. On this one, I'm going to be painting some wheels. Stay tuned to the end to see what color they are.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, get it, yeah. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
Okay, so we're going to be painting wheels. I've got a shit ton of wheels for the S13. I need to get them all from around the yard, off the rack, off the trailer, assemble them all, and then they're all completely used. Yeah, so when we paint them, we don't have to mask them off because the tires are coming off anyway. The paint finish I'm going for is like a track car finish, so I'm not too worried about the professional side. It will look good though because the color's sick. But yeah, assemble the wheels, give them a light sand maybe, do an undercoat and then a top coat. Really excited because it's been a long time. All my skid wheels are like all mix and match, different colors, different sizes. So it'd be nice to have them all the same color so we can run a cool color on it for the whole time at Matsuri. That's the plan. Let's get stuck into the prep work. But first, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I posted up all these parts for sale. So if you guys are interested in anything you see here, radiator, fan, blow-off valves, intercooler, all the stuff still for sale. Most of it's 32 stuff. A couple of things S13, that strut brace, the front one is an S13, and these coilovers S13. Same with those stock tire rods. The rest of it's 32 stuff. The seats, they're up for sale to the highest bidder because they're going to be like, everyone wants them for some reason. Same with the carpet. Everyone wants the OEM carpet, but let me know if anyone's interested in 32 parts. I will sell these because I'm selling them to make space. I did make a whole heap of space over here, which is really cool, from clearing those parts out, and this is the stuff that I'm keeping now. So whole box of wiring and shit, and then this is the stuff that I need to finish the car. That's the only interior I'm keeping. And yeah, so that cleared up a heap of space here. I'm going to clean the floor obviously and make it nice. This is going to be the RB2530 for the 180. Box of goodies here for the 32, and this RB25 is getting assembled hopefully either tomorrow or apparently in a week's time. Within a week's time it's going to be assembled. I don't know yet, it depends on how busy Hayden is, but pretty pumped to get that on the way. Anyway, that's a little bit about the update of here. So we also got the hoist working in the new shed, which is really cool. But yeah, I'm gonna assemble the wheels here, get them ready for paint. This is the first time I actually laid out all my wheels, and I just noticed they're all different. Every single one's a different set. Yeah, these are the wheels that came with the S13 as a package deal. I've still got two more over there actually. Shit, I'll get them. Yeah, so I got these two as well. The nice painted pink ones that aren't so nice anymore. Fully gutted, rashed them and cooked them. They look alright on camera when you stand back about here, but they are stuffed. These ones just had some overspray on them, that's why they're like that weird setup with the white and pink. But yeah, so I've got another two for the front and another two that are on the rear at the moment, but they're already done. So let's get cracking on these. First step is the undercoat, the white undercoat. Okay, undercoat's done two coats. So first mist coat and then a thicker coat, so they're all nice and white. Could just run them white, but white wheels and drifting is a bad idea, as I learnt with the 180. Even just driving a car with white wheels is a bad idea if you don't want to clean them every day, because they get so dirty. You can ceramic coat them, it does help a lot, but it's just white just gets dirty. There's products to help you with that if you like white. White's sick, I love white, but it is high maintenance. If you're spraying with a spray can like me, like a special, you can get one of these Pretty sure Super Cheap Auto sells them, no doubt. You can get them from a lot of places. And this just like pushes straight on the top of your bottle, straight on the top of your can. And then, yeah, when you hit the trigger, pow pow, pow pow, pow pow pow, pow 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 pow, it squirts out the paint. And then it makes it a lot easier, you don't get a sore little finger. So, that's that done. Now, time for the actual color reveal. So I'll put you back in a time lapse and yeah, check it out.
Yeah, we're not too far off from releasing these albums. Yeah, tell them motherfuckers go ahead and play it. Homie, we made it. Line up my old bitches, believe that we dated. I call out my homies, we leaving for Vegas. They come back with triple, we flip what we making. The shit is amazing, but no it ain't front. I made a request for whatever I want. You make a reserve and just hope it ain't gone. The shit is a shame, I just level my coins. I carry the team, I feel pain in my joints. I'm speaking the truth, but I don't get the point. I bring up the issues, you don't want that noise. I don't wanna dish you, attack at your boy. But shit, if I had to, it's gonna be a murder scene. I'm about eating you fucking with hurting me. Y'all sound the same, you are cloning your verses. We ain't no contest, even if it's our versus me. Bitch, I'm on Burgundy. Yeah, now God put the verse in me. Now I sound like Hercules. The way I be burning these. I'm Gaia, the earth in me. I'm wired, I'm serving fiends. Cause I got the hurt in me. And I'ma keep giving it to it.
Believe it, I'm rolling 6 deep with the demons. They call out my name cause I've seen it. Scratching for pennies, the fiends. They couldn't try getting between us. Watching me build different. Watching me build different. Talking sense and you will listen. I earn plenty of shots, taking long missions. Ain't a race, bro, this is long distance. Yeah. Plenty of shortcomings, now it's time to ride to the throne. 276 to the 42, yeah, that's home. While they back it off the dome, moving like I'm Sherlock Holmes. All these boys are all for show. Talking sense that and you know. Watch me back and fresh as flow. Never slow, never slow, never slow, never slow. And they all know the code. NFS, my bro. Hold up, yeah, YV.
I've been telling you guys, man, but everyone thinks, hey, like
But I painted the wheels pink. I've been meaning to do that since the last Matsuri, which was like 6 months ago. So it was a job that I was meant to get around to, but never did. And yeah, it's nice to have them all matching now. So it was always looking shit when I'd chuck a set of wheels on the back and they were just some mismatched, like ugly ass, beaten up, skidded tires. So there's the same rims, but now they're colourful. So it'll look a lot better, hopefully. When they're spinning, you don't even tell. Just like a pink blur goes past, but yeah, it just matches the car really good. I know some of you guys want me to change the theme of the car. It will change at some stage, but it is Zara's car at the end of the day, so it's up to her. And I think when I stop driving it, Enzo gets a little bit older and then she's driving it a lot more. I think then it'll probably get like a full, like I'll probably go over it and make it a bit safer because it's pretty dodgy. So yeah, so that's pretty much this one. The S13, got a few things I'm going to do on it before Matsuri, obviously. Get all the things ticked off. Got a bit of a list. One of those is water squirters, so I'm going to hook up squirters to the rear tyres, and then the plan is just a little washer bottle squirters. The plan is that you do a few laps, your tyres get really hot, and then you turn the squirters on just as you finish drifting, and you're coming back around to stop again, and you leave them on for a good, I don't know, 30 seconds or something, and hopefully the water will cool them down so they're not so hot. You don't want to drift while it's shooting the water out because it's just going to make it feel really weird. If it does anything, I don't know. Depends how much water's on the tyre, but yeah, hopefully it makes a big difference because ideally I want to try and do 3 sets of tyres for the whole of Matsuri. That would be absolutely epic. And I'm gonna get new front tyres as well, so I should have really good grip at the front compared to what it is now. It's understeering a little bit sometimes. That's gonna be really good. Shouldn't need a wheel alignment, but yeah, there's a lot of little things to do on it. Cosmetic stuff, really. It looks freaking ugly at the moment, so hopefully I can make it look a bit nicer. Maybe some new stickers and things like that, so look forward to all those little things coming. But yeah, it's just, there's been a lot of stuff that I haven't been filming that's using up a lot of my time, like shed stuff that's not interesting, digging holes, moving stuff around, selling shit. So that's why I haven't been seeing too much action lately. I've just been my time's been used up basically, but there's a lot of cool things on the horizon that I'm excited about, so especially for the 32. That's going to make some big moves hopefully soon with this engine getting built. That's going to be an exciting episode at Kamikaze Motorsports, so I'm so keen to actually watch the whole process. Some parts I can't film, which is understandable because Hayden's been doing this for many years, and everyone has their own little things that they've picked up along the way and skills, and obviously he does it for a job, so he's not going to give it away for free, which is understandable. But yeah, so super keen to see how it all goes together, because I pulled it down with Tom, and Xavier helped me I think as well. We pulled it down, so I know how that comes apart and I know what the parts look like. I just don't know how to put it back together all nice and fresh. So it's going to be good to learn that, and then maybe in the future I can give it a go after that. But yeah, on that, the 2530, I don't know, maybe I might be able to do a backyard job of that and hope for the best. The only other big thing cost wise that's stopping the Skyline is the gearbox. So the gearbox, there's a few options with gearboxes. You can go the RB25 obviously with the RB25 engine, but they're limited to like 400 horsepower. 500 will work, but if you're really driving it, they're gonna blow up. So people put CD09, which is a 350Z gearbox in. They're really strong. I've learnt heaps about that. That would work fine in the Skyline, but for a little bit more, you can get a SpeedTech gear set, which is like a upgraded gear set to go in the RB25 box. So it'll fit straight in there nice and easy with the stronger gears, which is what I'm going to go for, which is like $4 grand around that. So that's a big cost that I've been trying to save for, but there's so much shit to buy. Like, yeah. But other than that, that can go in last, and then we got to do wiring and all that shit. Yeah. Nitrous? Nah, jokes. But yeah, I'm freaking wrecked. I'm going up to have some dinner. Hope you guys are all doing well. I appreciate all you guys for commenting, liking, and subscribing to the channel. If you haven't already, do those things. Also hit the notification bell, because that helps. You see the videos when they come out. A lot of people say they say, oh, you still up making videos? Yeah, still making them every week. But if you don't hit the notification bell, sometimes you miss them. But that's cool. I'll see you guys on the next one. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think of the wheels and who's coming out to Matsuri. Let's get freaking pumped for that. Oh my god, I haven't driven in so long. So keen. Alright, see you guys.